Hello EV enthusiasts, Kyle here at Conicelli Nissan, and I'm excited to introduce you to the future of electric driving, the 2024 Nissan ARIYA. Get ready for an electrifying experience with the 2024 Nissan ARIYA. This all-electric crossover is Nissan's most advanced and most powerful EV ever, boasting a maximum driving range of up to 304 miles on a single charge. Step inside the ARIYA and immerse yourself in luxury and innovation. The minimalist yet functional interior features completely flat floor, zero-gravity seats, and a wave-like 12.3-inch display for easy access to vital vehicle information. With responsive acceleration, available e-Force all-wheel drive, and up to 389 horsepower, the ARIYA delivers unmatched performance and confidence on the road. Safety is paramount with standard Nissan Safety Shield 360 and available ProPilot Assist 2.0 for hands-free highway driving. But that's not all. When you choose the ARIYA at Conicelli Nissan, you're not just getting an incredible EV, you're also getting peace of mind with Nissan's EV Carefree Plus customer care program, which makes staying on top of charging, battery health, scheduled maintenance, and even roadside assistance easier and more carefree than ever. So what are you waiting for? Join us at Conicelli Nissan in Conshohocken, located at 1222 Ridge Pike, or give us a call at 1-888-CONICELLI and experience the future of driving with the 2024 Nissan ARIYA. Conicelli Nissan, a nice place to do business.